In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to access the Innovating in Healthcare course from Harvard so you can enroll confidently and get started without confusion. This is a highly respected course that many professionals, students, and entrepreneurs take to better understand healthcare innovation, leadership, and real-world problem solving. If you've been thinking about enrolling but weren't sure where to begin, this video will make the process simple. And before we jump in, if you find this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in Harvard and press Enter, or simply search for Innovating in Healthcare Harvard on Google. From the search results, look for the official Harvard or Harvard-affiliated website that lists the Innovating in Healthcare course. This is important because you want to make sure you're accessing the course directly from a trusted and official source. Once you find the correct result, click on the Innovating in Healthcare course page. When the course page loads, take a moment to review the details. You'll usually see an overview of what the course covers, who it's designed for, the learning outcomes, and the duration. Scroll through the page to understand what you'll be learning and confirm that this course aligns with your goals. This is also where you'll see information about the instructors and the format of the course, such as whether it's online, self-paced, or instructor-led. Next, look for the Enroll button on the page. This button is typically clearly visible and may say Enroll Now or Apply. Click on the Enroll button to begin the registration process. You'll be prompted to either sign in or create an account. If you already have an account with Harvard or its online learning platform, simply log in using your existing credentials. If not, follow the instructions to create a new account by entering your email address and setting up a password. After signing in, you'll be asked to fill in your personal details. This usually includes your name, contact information, and sometimes your educational or professional background. Make sure all the information you enter is accurate, as this may be used for course communication or certification. Once your details are complete, proceed to the payment section. In the payment step, you'll see the course fee and the available payment options. Enter your payment details carefully and review everything before confirming. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message and often a confirmation email with details about your enrollment. Finally, after enrollment is complete, you can start your course. Log back into your account, navigate to your dashboard, and click on the Innovating in Healthcare course. From there, you can begin watching lectures, completing assignments, and engaging with course materials at your own pace. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and enrolled in the Innovating in Healthcare course from Harvard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.